When you hear the word seal, you probably picture a round, wiggly pup clapping by the shore, right? Adorable. But not all seals are here for the cute points. Enter the leopard seal, sleek, powerful, and one of Antarctica's top predators. With razor-sharp teeth and a taste for penguin sushi, this seal is not cuddly. It's a cold-blooded killer in a tuxedo. But it's not just the big beasts that pack a punch. Let's shrink things down. Way down. Bulldog ants, they sound like something you'd find in a comic book. Except these guys are very real and very dangerous. Native to Australia, because of course, these ants don't just bite. They latch on and inject venom that can kill an adult human in 15 minutes. They've even taken lives, small but savage. And speaking of animals we think are harmless, ever looked a cow in the eye? Seem peaceful, right? Think again. Cows kill more people each year than sharks, and most of it is due to accidental trampling or being territorial. They might just be mad at us for turning them into cheeseburgers. Now, let's talk about deer. Sweet, shy, Bambi-like deer. But here's the catch. Their fear response, freezing in the road, is deadly. A deer in the headlights isn't just a saying. It's a legitimate driving hazard, especially in areas where their habitats are being squeezed by human development. Before we go further, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our wildest stories. Now, elephants. Culturally revered, cartoonishly cute, but emotionally complex and potentially lethal. As their habitats disappear and poaching scars their families, some researchers believe elephants are developing trauma responses. There are documented cases of elephants going on rampages, not just out of defense, but vengeance. Moving underwater, we meet the pufferfish, or as the Japanese call it, fugu. When prepared correctly, it's a delicacy. When prepared poorly, let's just say you won't be leaving a Yelp review. Its poison is 1,200 times deadlier than cyanide, and there's no known antidote. Then there's the box jellyfish, nearly invisible in water, but undeniably deadly. One brush with its tentacles can stop your heart in minutes. It's considered one of the most venomous marine animals, and guess what? Australia again. Another stealthy killer, the cone snail. Beautiful shell, nightmare inside. Its venom can paralyze you before you even know you've been stung. Nicknamed the cigarette snail because by the time the poison sets in, you'd only have time to smoke one last stick. Wolves are majestic, but don't romanticize them. They're social animals with complex pack dynamics. When one is killed, the disruption can cause the pack to behave erratically and start hunting livestock, or worse, humans. Then there's the Cape buffalo, a 1,500-pound herbivore nicknamed the Black Death. Looks chill, isn't? When wounded, it's known to circle back and charge hunters from behind. Each year, hundreds of people die from buffalo attacks in Africa. How about the tapeworm? Sounds like a horror film, right? This parasite can live in your body for years undetected, absorbing nutrients and slowly destroying organs, until symptoms hit like a freight train. Or maybe you're more of a horse person. Horses are strong, fast, and, when spooked, deadly. In Australia, they've been responsible for more human deaths than snakes or spiders. And let's not forget the insect world. The Asian giant hornet, nicknamed the murder hornet. Its venom destroys red blood cells and can kill if stung repeatedly. It can also decimate entire hives of honeybees in minutes, an absolute menace with wings. Alligators don't kill many humans, but they have been known to snatch pets and even people near water. Don't be fooled by their log-like stillness. They strike fast and hit hard. Same goes for the kudu antelope in Namibia. Beautiful, graceful, and responsible for more road fatalities than crocodiles. Yes, even wildlife has traffic problems. And how about leopards? Often overshadowed by lions and tigers, but don't sleep on them. Leopards are fiercely territorial, incredibly strong, and stealthy. When they feel threatened or encroached upon, they attack. And then there's the golden poison dart frog, smaller than a paperclip, but lethal enough to kill 10 grown men. Its toxicity doesn't come from within, though. It builds up from the toxic insects it eats. Nature's little chemist. Let's take a respectful pause for the animal that took Steve Irwin's life, the stingray. While usually gentle, their barbed tails can pierce vital organs if you get too close or handle them incorrectly. Tragic, but rare. On the subject of marine killers, the blue-ringed octopus is only the size of a golf ball, but its venom can shut down your nervous system in minutes. If you see its iridescent rings glowing, swim fast. You've seen lions in every nature documentary, and sure, they nap most of the day. But when they're hunting or defending territory, they are ruthless. Lions kill between 70 and 100 people every year. Tigers, too, especially in India, where urban sprawl has pushed humans and big cats into each other's paths. Unlike lions, tigers are solitary and silent. If you're being stalked by one, you won't know until it's too late. Bears, especially grizzlies, are deceptively fluffy. But they can sprint faster than you, smell food from miles away, and are extremely protective of their cubs. One wrong move and you're yesterday's trail snack. Next up, the kissing bug. Sweet name, deadly bite. It feeds on human blood while you sleep and transmits Chagas disease, often without you knowing. And yes, let's talk about the great white shark, the ocean's apex predator. But they're not villains. They mistake humans for seals. That's it. Doesn't make the bite any less painful, though. Some killers are smaller, like the roundworm, gross, yes, but it enters the body through contaminated food and wreaks havoc in developing nations. And then there's the hippopotamus, comically shaped but wildly aggressive. Their jaws can crush bones like popcorn. They are one of Africa's deadliest animals, especially to unsuspecting boaters. The saltwater crocodile, just like its cousin the gator, only bigger, meaner, and more aggressive. They'll lie motionless until it's time to strike, and when they do, there's no escape. Deathstalker scorpions found in the Middle East inject neurotoxins strong enough to cause death if untreated. They hunt at night. Sweet dreams. The tsetse fly looks ordinary, but it's the reason African sleeping sickness exists. This bug bites during the day and slowly robs its victim of consciousness over time. Of course, the most dangerous animal of all is us. Humans kill more humans than any other species on Earth, through war, crime, car crashes, and more. 400,000 deaths a year and counting. We truly are our own worst enemy. Even animals we know and love, like dogs, can be dangerous when unvaccinated or neglected. Rabies alone causes thousands of deaths annually. The freshwater snail may look harmless, but it carries a parasitic disease that kills thousands, especially in communities with poor sanitation. And yes, we couldn't forget the black mamba, a sleek, fast, and highly aggressive snake. Its venom kills within 20 minutes if untreated. Oh, and it can strike repeatedly without warning. Then there's the tiniest terror of them all, the mosquito. This minuscule menace transmits malaria, yellow fever, and more, killing over 725,000 people a year. The deadliest creature on Earth fits on your fingertip. So, next time you see something small, cute, or harmless, remember, looks can kill. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this list of nature's most deceptive killers, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend before they adopt a deadly pet.